Music. Is Certo software worth it? Let's find out. In this review, we'll explore Certo, a powerful tool to boost your mobile security and management. Download links are in the description. Certo helps mobile users, especially iPhone owners, optimize privacy, security, and performance. Monitor app usage, prevent data loss, and keep your device running smoothly. Its powerful data recovery retrieves lost files, messages, and photos, a lifesaver after accidental deletions or technical glitches. Certo also prioritizes privacy. Hide apps, clear browsing history, and manage device permissions for enhanced security. Real-time monitoring tracks battery health, storage, and app behavior, preventing potential problems. Plus, Certo removes malware and unwanted apps that compromise security. Whether you're a casual user or a tech enthusiast, Certo empowers you to control your device. For iPhone users seeking streamlined device management and security, Certo provides data recovery, privacy management, and performance optimization in one easy-to-use package. Want a secure, smooth-running device? Consider Certo. Check the description for details and download links.